Mount Rushmore.
Mount Rushmore.
I don't want that. I just want a little bit.
And then George will give you a little bit.
A little bit in my plate. Y todas esas matas las trabajo mañana.
You feel good?
What, doing this?
Yeah.
I suppose so. I don't know. I'm not doing it. You mean doing this?
Yeah, you feel good sitting up instead of laying in the bed for a little bit.
Yeah.
You know, that must feel a little bit better to get in a different position.
I see.
Good for your digestive.
Yeah.
Go food. Keep everything moving in the right direction. Dr. Chadinga says so. And it's rained every afternoon.
Yeah, it has. Hard.
Summertime.
That's why your plants look so pretty outside, Ma.
Because it has rain.
Mm-hmm.